Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how I edit my video background using Kinemaster. First, you have to download Kinemaster through Play Store or App Store. Well, before you're going to start, a little reminder here. The background of the video that you're going to edit has to be either blue or green since chroma key may not work for some other colors. Let's begin. Click on this plus. Then select aspect ratio 16:9 to upload this video to YouTube. Can you choose the media? Tap on media, it will bring you to gallery. Select the gallery that you download for your video background. So here I have downloaded New Year background and I'm going to use this. Then select layer and then media. It will open to your gallery again. But this time, choose the video clip that you're going to edit. Now, before that, you have to go to the upper part to adjust according to your video clip, like this. Right? Then you go to lower part. Then you can adjust the video here. You click on chroma key button and toggle to enable button. So here I'm going to adjust the video clip here. Yep. After that, you look at the chroma key again. Now here you have to adjust the key color according to your background. Now we have to adjust manually until you get your desired background. Yep. Now let's try.
Hi and hello everyone. Happy New Year. Stay blessed everyone.
Yeah, perfect. Right? If you're satisfied with it, then you can export it and share with your friends, or you can save in your gallery too.
Hi and hello everyone. Happy New Year. Stay blessed everyone.
Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to hit the thumbs up button and subscribe to my channel. Bye.